Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing a zoom-capable mod, such as Optifine, because vanilla Minecraft lacks a built-in zoom. Once installed, open Options, then Controls, and bind the zoom action to a key you can reach easily. C or middle mouse work well. Make sure the mod shows in the mods list. If not, restart Minecraft and the launcher. This gives you a dedicated command to trigger zoom, which keeps your aim steady and preserves FOV settings for consistent visuals. Next, you customize how zoom behaves to suit your playstyle. In Optifine, go to Video Settings, then Other, and find Zoom Settings. Set the zoom factor, try 0. 5 for half-size view or 0. 7 for a subtler effect, and adjust smoothness to avoid jarring jumps. Once configured, enter any world and hold your zoom key to test. Make sure mouse sensitivity while zoomed feels natural. If movement is too slow or clunky, increase sensitivity or lower smoothness, and retest until finally you use zoom during play for precision. Hold the key to zoom in for sniping, long-range scouting, or fine building, then release to return instantly. Make sure to combine zoom with sneak or aim to steady movements and improve accuracy. If zoom does not work, double-check that the mod matches your Minecraft version, verify there are no keybind conflicts, and restart the game. If problems persist, reinstall the mod and rebind the key, then test again to confirm function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.